nephron. This is a kidney. This is a nephron.
Hold on. I have no idea if it's... No, it's recording. Okay.
Alright, kidney, nephron. This is not just the Bowman's capsule. This is the renal corpuscle. Renal corpuscle. So what happens here is, this is the renal artery, the renal vein. Artery, vein. The vein brings blood in, and it goes to the nephron region. Nephron region would be up here. So inside the nephron, you have the renal corpuscle. The renal corpuscle is composed of the glomerulus as well as the Bowman's capsule. So now, the afferent arteriole receives the blood, it separates what's useful, what's not for reabsorption, and then it sends out the waste, whatever the waste is left, it sends it down to the proximal convoluted tubule. Okay? Now, as that comes out, it goes through the descending loop of Henle, and then is received by the ascending loop of Henle, which continues to go up into this area right here, which is called the distal convoluted tubule. Now, you notice that the distal is very close to the renal corpuscle. So, actually on this model here, this would actually be the distal convoluted tubule. So, back to this model, distal convoluted tubule sends it down the collecting duct takes it all the way down to the base of what is called the renal pyramid, which is part of the medulla. And at the base over here, it sends it off to the minor calyx. This area right here connecting is the minor calyx. The junction where a minor calyx, two minor calyxes meet is called the major calyx. That's found here. It's also found, this is another minor calyx, another minor calyx. This area right here will be another major calyx. Then it sends it to this region here, called the renal pelvis. Renal pelvis sends it down here, the ureter. Now, the entire body of this, well, this is a kidney, so this outer shell is called the renal capsule. And this area here, above where the medulla is, this area right here, is called the renal cortex. Renal cortex. This is the medulla. These are all medullas. I think that covers everything.